The first Porsche done by BRABUS. Yes, this is beautiful. Ooh, yeah. Do you think BRABUS should stick back with Mercedes-Benz cars? Hello guys, I am back. Today welcoming you all with this. This right in front of me, ladies and gentlemen, is the brand new BRABUS Porsche 911 Turbo S. Yes, I have to repeat that. This is the first Porsche done by BRABUS, guys. And in today's video, I will be doing a full walk around, showing you all the exterior highlights. Afterwards, jump inside, show the full interior of this bad boy. And last but not least, finish it all off with a sound check for you. So some of you might know BRABUS. I mean, BRABUS was known for being luxury tuner, for modifying and customizing Mercedes-Benz cars only, but now they are starting off with a new chapter, starting with brands like Porsche and Rolls-Royce. And so am I doing. As some of you might recognize my voice, I am doing the Mr. Benz YouTube channel, and herewith I'm also starting a new chapter sharing my love for all the cars, brands and models out there that I love. As I mentioned multiple times, I really like and enjoy Porsche cars, and today it's time to kick it off and start this channel. So please support, subscribe and like, leave a comment. So guys, to celebrate the launch of this new channel, I've teamed up with BRABUS. I had a long talk, but yeah, we've decided to give away one of these BRABUS chairs. They look absolutely amazing. I love them, and they're going to give me two of them. One I will be giving away one of you. So if you want to win it, leave a comment with hashtag Team BRABUS in the comment section below, like the video and subscribe to this new channel. Looking forward for all your comments. But yeah, let's go ahead and continue with the video. Let's go. But let's focus on this car right in front of us. When I saw it for the first time, I got goosebumps, guys. Do you believe that? This is the BRABUS Porsche 992 Turbo S. Let's talk about the technical details. So first of all, what BRABUS has done is they took the Porsche 992 Turbo S and yeah, modified the exterior as well as the interior and also the performance. So we are not talking about 650 horsepower anymore, because BRABUS has done modification, pushing it up to plus 170 horsepower, giving this a total output of 820 horsepower. This thing is quick, and we will be also driving it soon. Wait for the video, guys. This will be crazy. So let's get it on and start with the walk around. First of all, we have a nice cabriolet version of the 992 plus the beautiful crayon exterior paint, which is stock from Porsche factory. Let's get it on. Start with the front of this Porsche Turbo S by BRABUS. Looking at the front, you can instantly see that BRABUS has worked on it. First of all, the headlights are completely stock, the front bonnet as well. But as we have a closer look right over here, you can instantly spot the new BRABUS badge and emblem. Here we have a BRABUS emblem for the Porsche or for the Rolls-Royce. So we have a black emblem with two additional stripes, the signature stripes, which we also know from Mercedes-Benz cars. They always had them on a grill, on the so-called Panamericana grill with the red stripes. On the front bumper, you can see this is full finished in carbon fiber. Every single part right here finished in carbon fiber, redone by BRABUS in bot drop with the additional LED here. The front lip with a nice BRABUS emblem as well, giving this a very nice look. Also on the side here with the additional flap. Talking about the side itself, sitting very low right now with the monoblock Z wheels here, the biggest wheel option for the Turbo S. Guys, we have to have a closer look on these. So I was mistaken, we have 21 inches here, the monoblock Z Platinum Edition, the forged ones, which look extremely good on this car in my opinion. I mean, they look perfect on the G-Class, but even on a 992 Turbo S, they look extremely nice. We have the center lock here, which is very cool, and the carbon ceramic brakes with the BRABUS initials on it. On the side here, powered by BRABUS badge as well. This additional carbon fiber part, which makes the car look a bit wider, giving this a more bolder shoulders, you know. I really like the flow of it. I love the design of the stock Porsche 992 Turbo. It's just beautiful. Looking at the rear, here we have the 22 inches. In the front, we have 21 inches. The Platinum Edition monoblock Z, 22 inches with the carbon ceramic brakes, and even the brake calipers are finished in crayon. Guys, it's now time to talk about the rear because, yes, this is Beautiful. Let me just turn the car for you, okay? So it's now time to talk about the rear, and I just turned the car to have a proper view on it because it's definitely worth it. I'm really enjoying this look right here. Guys, I'm honest with you, even though I'm a huge Mercedes-Benz fanboy, the 992, the 911, the rear is just simply amazing. I love the look of the rear, and the turbo, the base turbo is just simply beautiful. Now we have the 911 Turbo S by Brabus, and they have redone the rear as well. So let's focus on that. First of all, let's have a look here on the rear wing. This is an additional wing, full finished in carbon fiber, in gloss carbon fiber, made by Brabus, as you can see here. And this looks extremely cool and is way bigger than the stock one. Looking here below the rear tail light, we have this Brabus carbon fiber works, but in addition to that, we have these nice Brabus initials and letters on it, which give this a very cool touch. So how do you guys like it? Nice 3D effect here. Looking at the rear diffuser, this is full finished in carbon fiber, made by Brabus in Bottrop, Germany. This looks extremely good, gives us a very sporty touch. In addition, with these exhaust tips, we have them in a round shape with the Brabus initials, and even in the inside you have a nice look and design, making this car very unique. Even here on the sides, yet again, Brabus carbon fiber parts, and all in all, guys, I'm simply in love with the rear. I really enjoy the look of it and I love it. So guys, how do you like the rear of this Turbo S made by Brabus? Guys, let's talk. It's now time to talk about the interior, and as you can instantly see, this is also a crazy one. Unlocking the 992, stepping inside this interior. Guys, I couldn't resist. I'm right inside the 992 Turbo S by Brabus. Wow, just wow. They have redone the entire interior at Brabus factory in Bottrop, this 992 of this Turbo S. Guys, let's just talk about the door panel here. Full black leather works with the nice red stitching, with the red line here, and in addition to that, all the chrome parts inside are redone in this nice red chrome finish, very dark and nice color tone, which I really enjoy. On the side here, a stitching method which we already know from the Rocket. This is called the crest stitching and is very difficult to do. They have a nice machine that does it all day long, and here is everything literally finished in leather. Even the inside here is finished in red leather to give it a nice contrast yet again. The entrance board, we have a nice carbon fiber one which is illuminated also in red, giving this the final touch. Let me just close the door here inside the Turbo S. Let me just start the ignition right here. Oh, I love animations and I love the dial right in front of me. First of all, the floor mats are also finished in leather, also with the Brabus Masterpiece badge. Even the gas and brake pedals are finished in red. As I mentioned, every single chrome part has been just taken out. They just remove them, they repaint them, and then they install it back in again. So all in all, they strip the entire interior of this Turbo S and then they redo the entire interior. As you look here, even the seats are not original anymore. We have full Brabus black leather seats with the nice red details here, and also this nice perforated leather. You see that from the side you can't really spot, but as soon as you have a look from the front, we have a nice perforation on this black leather, and in behind of that there's red leather, giving this a very nice contrast. As you see here, it's not too much, it's just perfect in my eyes. In addition, with the crest stitching, with the red lines and the red chrome inside, this looks simply perfect. Looking at the steering wheel, round steering wheel shape, full Brabus leather trim, red stitching. Also here yet again Brabus red leather with the airbag cover, also done by Brabus with their Brabus initials on. And all in all, guys, how do you like this interior? But I know you guys are waiting for something else. You guys want to hear something, right? It's now time to talk about the sound, okay? And for that, let me just jump into the Sport Plus mode, which also activates the exhaust. We also have an additional Brabus exhaust here. So 3, 2, 1, let's start up for you. Let's go. Ooh, yeah. Listen. Guys, how do you like the sound? Unfortunately, we have a rev limiter at, I think, 3,500. As you see, but the sound is good and it sounds 10 times better when driving. I will definitely prove you that. Let's listen to the sound from the outside again, so let's go. So guys, it's now time from a sound check from the outside of Jörn Gander. The CTO is going to do it himself, so let's go. So guys, what do you think about the sound of these Turbo S made by Brabus? Do you like it or not? Leave it in the comment section below. While driving it sounds even better. So let's get it on and stay tuned for that. So that's it basically for today's video, guys. Do you guys think that Brabus should do more of this kind of stuff? Or do you think Brabus should stick back with Mercedes-Benz cars? I'm honest with you, I think there are two iconic cars out there. The first one is the G-Wagon. As I'm a huge MB fanboy, it's the first one. The second one is the 911. So I love the idea of having a traditional brand like Brabus also rework and redesign the look of this 911 Turbo S. And I can't wait for the future projects of Brabus and Porsche and more brands maybe to come. Looking forward to see more. Leave your opinion regarding all of that in the comment section below. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Looking forward to see you all again and wish you an amazing day. I will be back.